shirt is on backwards. I just noticed. Okay, so cut. Just gonna spin it around town. Spin it around town. Hey guys, what's up? It's Maxine and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair color technique that was very much inspired by Prism hair and holographic color and shine lines. I feel like it's kind of like a mix of all of them. I had a lot of extra color from the Matrix Socolor cult in my house, left over from like previous colors that I did, so I just figured like why not do a tutorial on a mannequin head and how I like to do this color technique. I've done these type of like unconventional color techniques a bunch of times. I did this color technique on a client a while ago with mermaid colors that I used, and basically this is very similar to that. I've also done like a true Prism holographic color, which is a little bit different than what I'm doing today, but it's kind of inspired by this type of look. Coco! She was sitting by the floor and was just staring at me. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see videos in the future. Also, hit the bell for post notifications so that you're notified the next time I upload a video. And leave me a comment down below telling me what videos you want to see from me in the future. If they're hair related, just leave any suggestions you have in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's just @MaxineGlynn. And shoot me a DM or tag me in the photo if you happen to recreate the look that I did today. All right, let's get into the video. This mannequin head I have here is from Hair Art Products, and it's the platinum one. I really love it because it's so light and the color just goes on so perfect. I section out the whole top in a horseshoe shape and I clip it up. The colors I'm using today are Tropical Violet, Aqua Bay, Dusty Purple, Starfish Coral, and Sweet Mint. Now I'm just starting off by applying the Tropical Violet to the roots of the entire bottom section. A good trick to help avoid getting color on the top is taking the back sections vertically like this and dragging them forward when you're doing the touch-up. Now I'm going to be color melting the purple into Dusty Purple, and keep in mind that this shade of Socolor Cold happens to come out of the tube looking kind of like a mossy green, but the second it touches the hair, it turns into this really pretty purple, so it's such a nice shade. And now I'm just adding the Sweet Mint to a couple of pieces on the underneath, and I actually added a drop of neon green into this formula as well to give it a little bit more vibrance. Now I'm just covering up the bottom with a foil so that the top doesn't touch any of the color. And I'm taking thin sections starting at the hairline. Now I'm just starting to add the Tropical Violet to the roots, and this is going to be the root color throughout the whole look. The next color I chose was the Aqua Bay because I really like when purple and blue are next to each other and they color melt really pretty together. Here's another example of how the Dusty Purple can appear to be going on like a green color, but it actually just instantly turns into this perfect purple color. And now I'm just adding the Starfish Coral. I love this color so much, it's so vibrant. The next color I'm adding is that Sweet Mint color that I added the pinch of neon green to. Now I'm sectioning out the next piece, and I like to lay it over to the side while I'm clipping up to the rest of the hair, and I like to comb it out and smooth it over all of the colors. When you're adding in the roots to the next section, over-direct the roots to the very first section that you did, and then just follow the same pattern of colors throughout the rest of the strand. When you get to the back sections, all of the roots should be over-directed back to that first strand. And go ahead and keep color melting all of the colors together. It helps by giving it that nice seamless effect. But don't you try to call me tomorrow.
watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Take it to Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.